How to save music from YouTube to your files. Downloading music from YouTube is a tricky way, but if you are looking to save music, then here is an alternative method and solution. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app or go to the Anywhere browser and search for the youtube.com and make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Once done, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, all you have to do is tap on the YouTube Studio option available there. Now once inside the YouTube Studio, go to the left-hand side panel and simply scroll down a little bit, and there you will get to see Audio Library option available. Then simply tap on it, and here you will be navigated to the list of audios available. Once you tap on the audio and go to the right hand side of the audio, then you will get to see download option available there as well. Once you tap on the download, then it will be downloaded to your phone or Mac desktop files. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.